You see this, my paper? What I go on and see the season basket over here, so. Yeah, man. I know them scotch bonnet. Proper, my people. Yeah, man, a scotch bonnet, but I the brown one, them. Yeah, man. Well hot, my people. And I don't know what I go on tonight, I'll be going to do some fried dumpling. You understand, my people, with some curry saltfish and some broad bean. See my paper, I'm going to mix some nice juice. Yeah, with the tang there. See my paper? Yeah, man, so I don't know. I'll be going to the kitchen and go on. Weed. And I tune in, I catch your vibes, my people, so. Weed I go on pause and now, you understand, my people? I'm going to get to work. You see the people, it's all fish up. No comments me and tell me I want pound. Yeah, but you see the people from ready and look. I rinse off the saltfish on my people. Yeah, because it's full of salt, but you know. I'm going to rinse off some before I scald it. And actually I go scald it, my people. Okay, show off the water. Get some fresh on it. All lucky things are a big ton of covered. They want with me dead in all the mall like that. Yes, ja. One more night again, my people. Yes, my people. Wanna see that, my people? So I have to step on the fire. Showing me when I itch, my people, so. Fire on that, my people. Fire on that, my people. Yeah, I see it. Low flame. I don't know. There we go. Okay. Yeah, man. I don't know some flour, my people. Oh, I got no people. I don't know. People now watching and see me I turn up so much food and I big one I eat it to my people now, so. Hope for the fans them down here, boy, man. I wanna know my people, man, I put a little tip of caramel in it. You understand me? Yes, my people. I have my baking powder, my people. Yeah, I'm free. When I use a baking powder, town you can use it. The freestyle for me, because I know I amount of flour. And how soft I want it to be. You understand me, people? Yes, sir. I don't know about that cost. I put some salt. Same thing with the salt. See? Freestyle. Sure. My God, so special to me. Yes, my pep. I don't know. All I big gonna need up the front. Yeah. So I'm gonna go on. Stay tuned, my pep. See it, my peep? Yeah, man. Let's go. See it, my peep?
One shot, one pants, one shoes, one. Let me tell you about friend. Never coming out the equation right now.
Yeah, man, so well nice. See it? Now some oil people I'm gonna pour in the pot. Understand? So the saltfish are bubble up. The oil. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I need to wait for that to get hot. Put in the skillet and see the time. And I see the pepper on the people. I'm one of the brown ones, you know, so I have some spicy dumpling. See? Now I go down on the flour board, my people. I don't know enough people. I will do them dumpling here, so I know how to finish them because it has got swell. So you just take off one little piece, my people. Yeah, man. As I say, I don't know make my dumpling already, you know, me people. Yeah, man. I don't know here so I cook. I take my time and do my thing. So you see it, my people? Yeah, man. Nice and easy. So I'm going to stay tuned. I'm going to make some flour. Okay.
A petition against David Brooks, popularly known as Movado, has surfaced on the internet. The petition calls for the deportation of the star singer from the United States.
Take my grip, dumpling up, with the saltfish. I'm sure you like to hold me down, and that's how it will go. Yeah, people, don't know about this up kitchen here. Music is life for me, you know, people. I don't know about some people out there, understand? But yeah, music, life. So you see the saltfish? Don't scare me, people. So I'm take it out. I'm not going like that. Like that. Oh la 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 la. Oh la 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 la. Oh. People are saying knife sharp, come on. Move finger out of the way, you know. Remember a new style, my people. Curry saltfish. Oh. So I see Irish and thing I cut up. I love it. They're working on that one. Baby. See saltfish. Clean up already. Yeah. Now, thumbs up if you video on that one, you know, my people. And whenever I curry saltfish, you know, comments me and tell me if you don't want me to cook it again. And when you don't want, you send it on go now. With a yard or bird. Okay? Yes, Jack. I'm going to go and slice up some season, my people. See the pep? Garlic in this. The thing cut up. And ginger and garlic again. I see the saltfish. So I go for the oil. So ginger this my paper. Come on. I'm going to curry not throw a saltfish. Still do it the right way, don't it? Come on. Good. See curry. Okay. So I make that burn. Burn. So if I go and burn me on my story. As you season you are going to dance. Alright my people. And a fire cold, I don't make it burn up too much. So season day my people, I don't left none in our base. Everything me have to report. See my people? I put in the saltfish. This is our next day sitting again. Everything me have to report. So I can laugh after I love it. Yep. Curry saltfish, my people. Yeah, man. Still not doing nothing to my people. Don't move. We're running some Maggi night, my people. Yeah. Yep. I put some black pepper, but now I put in that yet. My people. Well, I cover it little and make it go and sweat. Or we can cook. Yeah, man. Drinks time in a people, you see it? Look how I go on my bucket. You see that? Watch out. Got it right here just how I want it. Yep. Yeah. That's how easy drinks ready, my people. And that one no sugar in my people. All I know tang I use tang. I say you don't want no sugar in it. I do a different style. I go squeeze one lemon in it. See it? Come on, see that everybody are going. Yeah. Just that one. So drinks ready, my people. Put it back a look now in a pot. Eat my pip. Yeah, man. Like the Irish, I'm going to cook little more, my people. Yeah. See that, my people? Show off the water. Now waste my bean there, let me say. What I want with this one? You not come with water? You need to talk to your company, something wrong here. Look here. Alright people. So let's see what going on in our pot, you know my people. That's it. Look at good look my people. Yeah man. Irish and carrot well cooked. I'm showing. See it? Yeah. I don't know about right, by line of people. Irish and them something enough to really cook out too soft, you know. What's that? But when I be in get trouble, you know, people, you see it? One of them not get chewy. Don't put too much in there. And I see certain in my paper. I'm gonna can full up my inbox. Be a comments and talk to me about them in here. And I can also try it and tell me how you work out for now. You understand? I'm gonna link up your logics and tell me how you work out. You're gonna do it all better, mate. I don't know, move me forward there. Honestly, people, when I time I go live, I'm gonna see what I go on to, you know. Yeah, from start to finish. It's gonna be a long live. But you know, if I go eat and drink something, because food don't know, see I'm gonna hungry bad. Let's start a black pepper. Yeah. I don't know the thing going on with people. I'll cover it up back for 1 minute. Just 1 minute. So you see next time pot open. A trouble. Big trouble. So that's what I want, babe. Yeah. Food time, you know. So let's see we finally look out. Look out and we work out too. Yeah. See it? Yeah. The flour them on my peep. So now my plate, you know. I share for my neighbor. I wake them up when I'm done. So I rest this over here, so. But the drinks are for me people, and I see glass. So in the market, anyway, when you see it in a roll, I have a big zone. I'll run somebody else have it. I feel me first. See it, my peep? Yeah. Nice food. You wanna see them plate there? I'll show you what of them, you know, people. See them there? Yeah. For somebody food to share my plate. No. Wanna see it, my peep? Curry, you know, so plate are gonna see, but I'm a pretty boy fried business in the night. No matter if food look pretty in a plate, you know, look pretty in your belly at all. See it, my peep? Yeah, we can decorate dish, you know, people, and do all type of thing, you know. Yeah, man, no joke. Wanna see that? Yeah. Wanna do now, people? A lot of big thing in the kitchen, yeah. No sneakers and something like me, I go to a party. I say you should cut some of the time, my people, you know. Sometimes rugged and sometimes smooth, like ice cream. So you don't know what I'm going. A lot of bigs are going to eat some food and thing in the night. So see the juice, well nice. The ice in the night are wet. See it? Yeah, my people. So, you don't know, my people, like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up the video and click the notification bell. Don't make the button keep clear, keep it blue, 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 blue. Yeah, my TV style there. Blue, blue, blue. Yeah, so I'm checking out. Peace. See it, my peep? Here, my neighbor one already and come back. See dumpling, people? Well soak. And I have to black and burn up people so they don't soak, you see? Turn on the fire and make it soak. You see it? Saltfish and bean. Butter curry. It's the Irish. Saltfish and carrot. I don't want to see this thing, you know. See it? That's the saltfish. Trouble in the night, people. What I say? Trouble. You know, because I eat food, man, I run road. And see the juice, huh? Boy. Yes, Jah. Give thanks and praise. That's why I'm a big fan of people. Yeah, man. Because I eat any hours a night. Oh. My grandfather tell me say you never sleep right 3 nights and eat. So when me hungry, I get up and eat. Yeah. So I don't know my peep. Blessing.